What's up, guys? Thank you for stopping by the channel. I just want to start the video by saying Happy New Year to everybody. 2019 is officially over. It was a great year. We put out a lot of content, a lot of sneaker review videos, but 2020 we're gonna take it a step further. So we're starting off the year with a first look of the Adidas Yeezy 700 V3s in this Azael colorways. Guys, we took so long to review this sneaker. We finally have it in hand. We're gonna compare it to the other 700s and we're gonna give you guys a detailed review. And guys, make sure you stick around to the end of the video because guys, look at this sneaker. It looks like a completely new silhouette from Yeezy. So we're gonna be giving you guys a detailed on-feet review of how we style it. So you guys should stay tuned. We're gonna start off with a quick unboxing to show you guys how it came in the box. Comes to your standard 700 box, nothing really changed. We're just gonna jump right in and show you guys how it came in the box. We're gonna get both pairs out, put them aside, and we're gonna break down some of the material changes. First thing that really stand out on this sneaker is the shape. I really like the shape. It's on point. It's really different from the previous 700s. And I like this bone-like structure in the sneaker also. It gives the sneaker like a futuristic alien kind of vibe. And it's supposed to glow in the dark, so we're gonna do a test. And the sneaker is made of like this mesh-like material, like this engineered mesh. It's see-through in some parts of the sneaker. And like, I really like the midsole. The midsole is cleaned up and like it has this sail color. And like the outsole is like this teal color. It's the same outsole, they didn't change anything. It's just the same pattern, but they changed the color. And guys, I believe this sneaker doesn't have boost. It's like a different technology. And this sneaker, when it comes to sizing, we went with our standard size. It's supposed to fit snug, so if you guys want it to fit a little bit loose, you guys should go a half size up, but we just went with our standard size. Guys, this is a glow test. This is how bright the sneaker is. This is how bright the glow is. So it's supposed to glow in the dark. Comparing the old 700s to the new ones, they don't even look like the same silhouette. Like, they're so different. The old one remind me of like a retro dad running sneaker, but they completely changed the design and went with this futuristic look. This sneaker look like a sneaker that will be worn in the future. I guess 2020, this is a sneaker that you're gonna see more people wearing. The sneaker is so light compared to the old one. The old 700, they went for a more chunkier, heavier kind of feel, but the new ones, they completely changed the materials. They went for a lighter, futuristic feel. And guys, I really like the design on this 700 V3s. I like this bone-like structure that glows in the dark, and it has like a bunch of different materials. Like it has this engineered mesh that's see-through in some parts. And on the toe box, they use like this tough rubber, which is very durable. When it comes to like the tongue of the sneaker, they use like this neoprene material that has like 3M in like on the toe box. When it comes to like the lacing system, it has like a completely different lacing system from the original 700 V1. And guys, this is a beautiful sneaker. One thing that completely stayed the same was the outsole. They just changed the color. It has the same traction pattern. And the midsole reminds me of the 380s alien with this back portion that raises up. It gives the sneaker like a really interesting shape. I'm not gonna cap, guys. It's not as comfortable as the original 700s. The original 700, they used boost on the outsole, so it was more comfortable to wear. This one, they use like a EVA foam, which is more sturdy, but it's not as comfortable as Boost. It made the price drop like from $300 to $200, so more people can pick it up. The design of this sneaker makes up for it, and without a doubt, this sneaker is one of the best Yeezy sneaker I've seen in a long time. When it comes to the release of this sneaker, it's kind of unexpected because I thought the Yeezy Quantums were gonna release before this sneaker, but I'm not complaining because this is like a lower version of that sneaker, so I had to add this to the collection. So if you guys missed out, because I know this one was super exclusive, if you guys missed out on this release, there's gonna be more release in the future. The 700 has been one of the most versatile Yeezys that's come out, and this one is no different. And we're gonna be experimenting with different types of pants to see what works. So we're gonna be trying cargo pants, crop pants. We're gonna be trying different types of aesthetics to see what works with this sneaker. So we're not gonna bore you guys by talking too much about this sneaker. I know you guys are gonna see a lot of review, a lot of unboxing about the sneaker, so we're not gonna bore you guys. We're gonna go straight to the on feet. So if you guys are new to the channel, please guys, go ahead and join the family. 2020 is gonna be an exciting year. You guys don't want to miss out the content we're gonna be putting out. So please guys, go and support the channel by subscribing and turn on your post notifications so you get notified when we post a new video. And guys, please show us your support and drop a like and leave a comment down below. Tell us what you guys feel about the new Yeezy Azael colorway, and until then guys, we'll see you guys in our next video.